All right, welcome to MGD 111. Today we're taking a look at processing images for the web. One thing I wanted to show you is how to create an outlined PNG file. Now I have this photo here. It might look familiar from early on in the semester. I've actually cropped it and renamed it and called it Sled Icon. But remember, we have our little girl sledding. So if you've ever used Dreamweaver before, if I wanted to put this picture on a page with a colored background, we're in Dreamweaver right now, you'll notice when I put the picture on here, there is it's a rectangle. It has the entire picture on it. Now I can crop it a little bit and manipulate it some in Dreamweaver, or any web program for that matter. But for the most part, I'm stuck with it as some sort of rectangle type image. What if I wanted to trim her out and have her isolated from the background, so there's no background anymore, and just have her sledding on this purplish blue background? Well, for the web, we need to create what's called a PNG file. So let's go back to Photoshop here. Now, I cheated, and I went ahead and I outlined her so you don't have to watch me do that process. It's kind of a rough outline, but here's what we want to do to create a PNG. First of all, we've got her outlined. I'm going to copy. So she's copied. And then I'm going to create a new document. So I'm going to go to Command-N. And I'm not going to title it right now because I don't need to worry about that. But I'm going to, this document, the important thing is I need to keep it the same width, same height, same resolution. And it automatically defaults to the same size as whatever your last document was. And I want to keep it the same color mode, RGB. And also, this is very important. We can have background colors, white or whatever. We want transparent. And we're going to click OK. And we got this thing that looks like a checkerboard. If I zoom in on it, you'll see that there we go, it's bigger now. I'm going to hit Command-V for paste, and now I have pasted her in there. What happened is it measured the size of what I'm trying to paste and figured I wanted to make a document based on that. So I made a picture that's exactly the same size as that selection. So now all I have to do is save it. I'm going to call it Sled Icon. And I need to save it as a PNG file. So portable network graphic. And I'm going to save it in the same folder here. Click Save. Smallest slow compression. We're going to say none compression. Don't worry about the interlaced. And now let's go back to our Dreamweaver document. And let's go back to our Finder. And watch what happens when I bring this picture in. Sled Icon PNG. I drop it on the page here. I'm not going to enter the alternate text. And voila! She is outlined. We can do a similar thing in Photoshop or in InDesign and print documents using our clipping paths and whatnot. But in order to do this on the internet, we need to create a PNG file. So that's how you do that. Practice that and have fun.